The Coach Empire Carryall Bag 26 is a vintage-inspired tote crafted from buttery, soft gloved-in leather. Handbag boasts a spacious interior with a center zip compartment, 2 open sections, and a zip pocket for organizing your belongings. The Empire Carryall Bag features handles for comfortable carrying and a detachable strap for shoulder or crossbody wear. Review. While specific reviews might vary depending on personal preferences, the Coach Empire Carryall Bag 26 generally receives positive feedback for soft and luxurious leather. Many users appreciate the feel and look of the gloved-in leather. Spacious interior. The bag's design allows for ample storage without sacrificing style. Versatile styling. The detachable strap offers flexibility in carrying options. However, some users might find the bag a bit heavy due to the leather. Colors. The Coach Empire Carryall Bag 26 is available in various colors, including brass maple, black, chalk, and potentially other seasonal options. Price. The price of the Coach Empire Carryall Bag 26 can vary depending on your location, currency, and any ongoing sales or promotions. However, it typically falls in the mid to high luxury handbag range. For the most accurate and up-to-date information on colors, availability, and pricing, I recommend visiting the official Coach website.